teacher. And this is your new class. Now if you look here, Miss Martina, teacher, class, and all of us actually happen to be part of a great school which is called the Indian school. Now Miss Martina and the Indian school, if you see here, are categorized on this side of the board, whereas teacher and class have been written on the other side. Now why are they categorized? The reason for that is that here these are basically words for a person, place, thing or object. Now these words are basically known as nouns. Yes, you would have heard about it all the time, you would have come across it all the time. So basically any name, could be name of a teacher, could be name of your school, could be name of your best friend sitting next to you, could be your own name, happens to be a proper noun. And the others, which are basically all the common objects that you see around you, are basically common nouns. Now let's look at some other examples right here in this very classroom. This is a board. This that you see is a switchboard. That is a speaker. Over there is a smart board. This is a clock. Now let's do some quick recap exercises. Like I said, a word for a person, place, name or object is called a noun. Now why don't you do something? Why don't you look at some objects around you and see if, like me, you could also spot some common and proper nouns around you, and we'll come back in the next class. Thank you. Okay, so we're now familiar with the two categories of nouns, which is common noun and proper noun, and we now move to category number 3, which is collective nouns. Now what exactly are collective nouns? So if you see more than one cow walking on the road, would you say cows are walking, or would you say a herd of cows is walking? If you see more than one bird on a tree, would you say birds, or would you say a flock of birds? If you see a group of bees, would you say bees, or would you say a swarm of bees? Take for instance, you're watching a dance performance which has more than one dancer. Would you say dancers, or would you say a troupe of dancers? Now that's exactly what collective nouns are. Objects, animals that are grouped together, that are in a collective, are essentially collective nouns. Now I know that you're all big fans of watching videos on the smart board, and you know what? I've actually heard you. So I will do a little less talking and will let you watch this very interesting video that helps you better understand the concept of collective nouns. Take a look.
Ricky and Nikki are at an animal farm. Look at the interesting banners they have come across at the farm. A herd of cows. A flock of birds. A swarm of flies.
Some common nouns have a special name when they are in a group. A collective noun is a word used to name a group of people, animals, or things.
The words herd, flock, swarm are collective nouns used to refer to groups of cows, birds, and flies respectively. Let us look at some more collective nouns. Pack is a collective noun which refers to a group of dogs. School is a collective noun which refers to a group of fish. Bunch is a collective noun which refers to a group of geese. Team is a collective noun which refers to a group of horses. Class is a collective noun which refers to a group of students. Troop is a collective noun which refers to a group of monkeys. A collective noun is singular in form even though it names anything which is two or more than two.
Okay, we now move to the fourth and the last category of nouns, which are basically your gender nouns. Now, if there's a classroom where there is a girl whose name is Himakshi and there's a boy whose name is Sarthak, what's the essential difference between these two? The main difference is that one is a girl and the other is a boy. And that's exactly what gender nouns are. So gender nouns are divided into male and female categories. So all your men, boys and male animals come under the masculine gender nouns, and all your females, girls, female animals come under the feminine gender. Again, the best way for us to understand this and the concept of gender nouns is to watch again a very interesting video. I hope you understand and I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Take a look.
For example, brother, uncle, grandfather, father.
Women, girls, and female animals are of the feminine gender.
For example, sister, aunt, grandmother, mother.
Let's look at the names of the male and female animals of the same species.
Fox, vixen, gander, goose, drake, duck, ram, ewe, stag, hind, rooster, hen.
So here's a quick exercise that each one of you can actually do to practice nouns. It's called the nouns categories. So you're basically scattering, dividing the nouns and making different categories like these. So there's the common noun if you see. So any 5 nouns that you know. Similarly, proper nouns, any 5 proper nouns. If you see like how I'm numbering them, you can basically number them in your notebooks and jot them down. Moving to the next column, so common and proper is done. We move to the third that we had learned, which was the gender noun category. Again, here you have to try and remember all the gender nouns that you remember and recollect from the exercise that I did with you. Again, 5 of these examples. Moving to the collective noun, which is the last category. Try and remember any 5 collective nouns and jot them down.